Hey, my name is James, and I wanted to give a shout out to Jordan and his course on making money through YouTube. I'll fess up that I actually bought two courses from two different individuals. One was Jordan, one was a much, much more expensive course, basically about the same thing. And I can tell you that really the content that Jordan covers in his is every bit as good as the much more expensive course, but here was the thing that I really noticed made the really big difference for me. His group on Facebook that you get connected to actually is a lot more active with people actually doing things in the course as well as other people who are actually making money with it. The much more expensive course that I bought also has a Facebook uh, group. But the thing is, theirs is generally like the blind leading the blind, and you really don't get much value out of that group. So just the group alone on Facebook is worth the cost of the course. And of course, the whole thing, though, I have both the advanced and the first course that well worth it because I just now I wish I wouldn't have spent the $1,000 on the other course. So good for you, Jordan. I appreciate it.